friends, welcome back to my channel Experiences in Short. Thank you for liking, viewing, commenting and subscribing to my channel. If you are a new viewer, please don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get all the notifications on time. In today's video, I'm going to share with you few of the makeup products that I recently purchased and it is a must have for all the ladies. So I had few makeup products, but I thought that they are kind of expiring and they are getting out of date. So I thought let me just renew my makeup stuffs and order few things because right now there are a lot of sale going on in Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra. So I thought why not to look at some branded products and buy them. So before I begin today's video, I would definitely give some suggestions. So if you are trying a makeup for the first time, please don't forget to have a patch test at on your hand or somewhere where you see that if the makeup is really suiting your skin or not. And whenever you buy any makeup products, please ensure that you don't only see the price, also try and figure out if the products are expired, if the product suits your skin, and first and foremost is which brand it is, whether it is dermatologically tested or not, whether it is safe for your skin or not. So these are few aspects we all should look at before buying or before trying any of the makeups. Before we start any kind of makeup, having a perfect primer that suits your skin is very essential because that is the primary base on which you build your look. I personally prefer this primer which is from Lakme Absolute. This primer is very inexpensive. I would say you can get it at a very affordable price, but the outcome is really great. It gives you that silky smooth texture over which the foundation and the concealer, it glides seamlessly and gives you that effortless look. And the best part is this primer also softens the blemishes and the pores of your skin. So this is one product that I will definitely recommend if you are looking forward to buy a primer and you are not getting the right one, then I would definitely say you should give it a try. It comes in a small tube, so if you don't want to have a big tube at present because you just want to try, so then this is the one you can think of buying. When it comes to foundation, it is very important we understand our undertone to buy a foundation. So the foundation that I prefer buying is from Maybelline New York. So the full name of this foundation is Maybelline New York Fit Me Foundation, and this is a matte finish foundation. I generally don't like foundation which gives a shiny finish, so I always prefer something which gives me a matte finish, and the shade that I always prefer is 128. So this has a mattifying clay which gives you that natural finish and it also seamlessly blends to your skin. So this is one foundation which is a must have for all the girls, and I generally prefer buying small packs, as I said, because when I'm traveling or when I'm going to office or whenever I need a touch up, I can just have it in my bag and use it as and when required. The next product that I have is this Maybelline Fit face powder. What I like about this face powder is it stays on your face for 12 hours. So this absorbs the additional sweat and the oil coming out after the makeup. If you step out because of sun or sweat, a lot of oil accumulates over the face if you don't put a perfect face powder. So this does the job, and it helps the makeup also blend to your skin effortlessly and gives you that perfect finish. And this also has some SPF of 28 SPF it comes in, and I use it in a warm nude tone which is same as my foundation. I prefer putting this in my T-zone and it gives that freshness and keeps the makeup fresh. So the next product that I have is a blusher. So I use this blusher cum highlighter from the brand Lakme. So this blusher cum highlighter comes from Lakme 925. Really it blends in my skin well. It goes well with my skin tone. There are a lot of colors available for these blushes. You can just check it out, and based on your foundation color and your undertone you can choose what blusher and highlighter goes well. And now coming on to this blusher, what color I use is Pure Rug, and the best part about this highlighter cum blusher is it comes with a small brush inside it. So if you are trying to carry it somewhere, it is very compatible. You can just put it inside your vanity and you are good to go. You don't need to carry any other brush or anything with you. This is a 2-in-1 pack and I totally love this. applying this becomes really easy because of this brush, and the brush is also super soft, the color is also really good. So this is one product that I always enjoy using, and this will be my recommendation to all the viewers based on your skin tone. Just go for this brand, guys, but color, yes, you can decide based on your skin tone. So the next product that I have is a mascara. Generally, I prefer using a light mascara which definitely elongates my eyelashes, but at the same time doesn't add a lot of volume, because already I do have a very big and well structured eyes. So I think this mascara suits me a lot. When it comes to eye makeup, especially kajal, mascara, liner, I always prefer having this Maybelline Colossal eye makeup series. So definitely this is one makeup which I always enjoy putting on my eyes, and it has given me any kind of side effects, and it is truly waterproof and smudge proof, and it stays over your lashes for long. So I prefer this product. So if you are also looking forward to buy something in terms of mascara, then definitely this is one product you can think about. Also, Maybelline has other series of mascaras, so based on your choice you can opt for it. The next product that I have is a eyeliner. So I also use Maybelline Colossal eyeliner. So this comes in form of a sketch. What I like the most about this liner is this lid which comes. It is very easy to apply and it is very user friendly. Also, this stays long. It is kind of smudge proof. And the best part is it blends through the eyelashes so well. At this mascara and liner really goes together, it blends together. And what I like about this the most is, if you are planning to have a winged liner kind of thing, then this is one product you can totally use, because the lid is super soft, and whatever shape you want to give to your eyeliner, definitely this is one product which helps you to do that. The lid is sharp and the lid is also kind of like flexible. Also, every stroke with this liner is very smooth, and it kind of blends with your skin. So this is one product that I will recommend also. So the next product that I have is this eyeshadow palette from the brand Lakme. So the name of this palette is Spotlight Eyeshadow Palette. What I like about this palette is it has a lot of tones, and generally I prefer a pinkish eyeshadow tone. At the same time, it has also some darker tones, so you can just have this one palette and use this either for day or night based on whatever outfit or whatever makeup you are putting. You have all kind of colors and tones in this, and the best part about this is its pigmentation is really good. So if you are not putting any kind of primer or concealer over your eyes also, this pigmentation really stands out, and it stays over your eyes for some times also. And this Lakme brand is dermatologically tested and quite a known brand in India. So this product is affordable, as well as it has a lot of varieties. You don't need to have a lot of eyeshadows if you have this one palette. So I like this palette because this has a multi-purpose use, and the best part is I can carry it anywhere because of the small compatible shape this has. And also, I have been using this palette for some time, and I really love the kind of pigmentation it has. It has gold, it has pink, it has also browns, oranges, yellows. So these are the shades that I generally love putting over my eyeshadows. I generally don't like putting bold colors. I think these colors are just perfect, and it goes with any kind of casual look or professional look you are having, and this personally suits me the best. The next product that I have is this eyebrow powder plus cream. This is from the brand Swiss Beauty. I have been using this palette for quite some time, and I just love it. It has some brown colors. If you see, it has a dark brown, a mild brown, as well as a light brown color, and this is the cream that sets these powder over your eyebrows. Also, it comes with this small cute brush which helps blend these colors to your eyebrows and highlights it. I just love this palette because, again, As I said, this is small, this is compatible, and this can be carried to any place. If you want to have a touch up somewhere, you don't have the hassles to carry your big palettes. So this is one product that I have been using, and I'm really liking the product. No makeup look can be completed without a lip shade. And the one neutral lip shade that I have been using recently is this pink cupcake color, and this is from a brand Makeup Revolution by London, and this is a matte finish lipstick. So as I have already said you in my previous makeup discussions that I do not like glossy finish, so I always prefer having something matte, and I feel that if I put a matte lipstick, it stays on your lips for some time. And why I love this color so much is it totally blends and goes well with all the other products, my highlighter, with my blusher, with my kind of eyeshadow, and gives me that perfect look. So I definitely prefer and recommend this product. I will keep the link on the description box for all the products that I have shown today. If you are interested to buy any of these products, please feel free to refer to those links and buy these products. Now that we have spoken so much about makeup, we should not ignore one of the most important aspect, which is after makeup. So the thing is, once we are done with our makeup, we are back from our outing, it's very essential we just move all those makeup out from our face and take care of our skin. For that I use this Garnier water, cleanser water. So this is called as Garnier Skin Natural Micellar Cleaning Water. So generally I use this because it has two variants. It has a oily variant, and this is one of the product which you can use for oily skin. Because I do have a oily skin, I don't want to put additional oil on my face, so I prefer using this simple micellar water. So this is a very useful thing, also dermatologically tested. I have been using it to remove my makeup, and it perfectly removes my makeup. And definitely this is a routine I follow without fail, because I feel that removing makeup is a very important skincare routine that we all should follow without fail. Thank you so much guys for watching this video till the end. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I come up with lot of videos related to DIY, lifestyle, home, decor, hauls, travel, etc. If you have any recommendations for me to include any kind of meaningful content for you, don't forget to put it in the comment box. I'll definitely consider your recommendations. Thank you. Stay safe. Take care. Bye bye.